Good morning Saudi Arabia, good morning Philippines. Meron na naman tayong special magic tricks guys. Meron tayong 2 red ace at king guys. Yung spectators guys, pipili ng card dyan guys. Sample lang napili niya guys, ito red ace. Yung spectators guys, sasabihin niyo lang kung stop. Sample, stop sabi niya guys. Same process guys. Yung spectator sabi niya lang kung stop. Sample, stop sabi niya. Hanapin natin guys yung card ng spectators guys. Base sa 2 red king guys. Ngayon guys, itong apat na naka face down card guys, 4 ace guys. Buksan natin guys. The magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.